This is measuring waist to height ratio. For both recordings, take off your shoes. First, you measure the stretch stature. We use the stadiometer to get an accurate measurement. However, when doing this at home, you can use a hardback book and a pencil to mark the height. So the full height is measured, ask the participant to stand tall and take a deep breath in. Next, get someone to apply the correct technique in providing uplift to their head. Then, record the height to the nearest 0.1 centimetre. Repeat the measurement and take the mean of 2, except if the measurements differ by more than 1%, repeat again and take the median value. The second component, waist circumference, requires the participant to remove outer layers, have their feet shoulder width apart and arms slightly crossed, to ensure that there's no disparities that could affect the outcome of comparing results. The narrowest point is between the lower margin of the 10th rib and the iliac crest, which is your hip. If there is no visible midpoint, measure the midpoint of these two indicators. First, check the metal measuring tape has no splits in it that could harm the participant when wrapping it around them. Then wrap the tape around the participant's waist. Make sure that the graduation marks on the tape measure match up and it's not compressing the skin, guaranteeing that the tape measure does not have any twisting, thus laying flat across the skin, to get the most accurate and reliable measurement. After resting tidal expiration, take the measurement and record to the nearest 0.1 centimetre. Repeat the measurement and take the mean of 2, except if the measurements differ by more than 1%, repeat again and take the median value. You can find out more information on how to conduct waist circumference and height measurements by scanning the QR code on the screen.